Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button. I am Jojo Friend No One and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. Guys, yeah, I look bit, I know how the eye look. Yeah, we are doing a affordable Valentine makeup tutorial. You can rock this look on Valentine. You don't have to wear it on Valentine Day. It's not by force if you don't want to slay on Valentine Day. So you can wear the look at any time of the day. But I decided to just do like a Valentine affordable makeup tutorial using products on the £5 range, like £5 makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, you know what to do. Stay tuned for this video. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's begin. If you want to slay for Valentine and you're on a budget, don't worry, there's makeup for everybody. And some of the products I'm going to be using today are going to be from Beauty Big Bang. So they sent me some of their affordable makeup, so they are like an affordable makeup site. I'm going to use the Primark Primer Water. This one is just £2. So to color correct my face, I'm going to show you guys two concealer. I'm trying to be like friendly, like if you can't find one, you can find the other. Don't worry, I got your back. So you can always get the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is under £5, yeah. Or you can get the MUA Concealer Palette. This is a full palette and this is like £5, yeah, from Superdrug, £5 or £6. Even though you're not in the UK, you can get MUA. You can always get the LA Girl. Just use that to color correct. What this does is to cover up any dark mark you have on your face. I always apply this underneath my eyes, my mouth area. For foundation that is under £5, that I know that is flawless to me, I don't know about you, the Primark foundation, yeah, the Primark My Perfect Foundation. As you can see, Primark is slaying. You can get the Holy Grail Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So either of these two is going to work for our £5 budget. I'm going to mix the two just to satisfy myself. The shade I use in the Maybelline is 352 in the UK. The Primark in between that. I'm going to use my F powder brush to just blend this out. Yeah, oh my god, I love these two foundation. Primark, come true. I am feeling myself with this cheap makeup. Good. Just slay your face with your cheap makeup and just hold your designer bag. We are good. For concealers under £5 or on the £5 range, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like I said, you can't go wrong with this. But if you're a dry skin girl, leave LA Girl Pro Concealer alone. So the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, also good. You have Colourpop No Filter Concealer, also good. This is under £5. You have Kiko Concealer. Kiko concealers are good, and this is under £5. Then you have the new Makeup Revolution Concealer. This is £4. You have like cheap option of concealer to choose from that are under £5. Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C15 to contour, then Colourpop Deep Golden to highlight my face. I've actually done a video of comparing these concealers. I'm going to link it up here for you to check it out. Just take the Makeup Revolution, to contour. Blend out the contouring first. But the contouring shade is really nice. I'm going to start start blending the concealer underneath my eyes. I don't understand why Colourpop don't have a UK site yet. Like seriously, we know your makeup is affordable, just get a UK site. I'll use the brush I use in applying the foundation to just blend out any harsh line. I'm going to use this loose powder that was sent to me by Beauty Big Bang, and they gave me a code to get 10% off. I'll leave that code on the video if you're interested. The only problem I have is that this has a pink tone, if it makes any sense, so I don't know if it's going to be suitable for dark skin. I have a backup powder here in case. You can always go and get the W7 Banana Dream powder. This is like £3 something from Savers. Okay. I'm just going to press this on my face. It's going to work, but if you don't know how to use it, you're going to have a flashback. So for my face powder, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic Pro Matte powder. And if you don't want to have flashback, please take your face powder, your skin tone powder, and apply it on top of any ashy powder that you have. So just press that on top of that. I'm just going to bronze the Beauty Big Bang. This is called the Blush Highlight and Contour Palette. The bronzer, blush and highlighter, the contour shade. I like the fact that it's not looking muddy, just the perfect. To attempt to use the blush, let's attempt the blush color on this palette. This blush. Use this to blush. This blush color is not showing up on my skin. So I'm going to drop that blush. I'm going to take my LA color blush in Very Berry. So yeah, let me give myself life with this. And I always get my coconut water spray from TK Maxx or a cheap makeup spray. I think Makeup Revolution have one, MUA have one. For my brows, I'm going to use, of course, my £1 brow pencil by MUA. Then I'm going to mix it with this Beauty UK brow kits. You can always use just the brow pencil. I'm going to use the primer to prime. Then I'm going to use the brown and the black to fill in my brow. Okay, I'm going to clean my brows using the Colourpop concealer. This is the LA Girl eyeshadow primer. Then after blending, I'm going to set it with the setting powder. I'm applying the powder underneath my eyes. You guys know the drill. For fallout from the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Beauty Big Bang. It looks like very cute eyeshadows. The other palette I'm going to use for the eyes, I'm going to use this palette by MUA and this together. If you don't know what transition color is what like your other eyeshadow blend to, and it's always on the crease. So I always go for like a warm brown color. I'm going to go into the Beauty Big Bang eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this red right here. So I'm going to apply this. Oh, that pigment is good. And I'm not getting like fallout, like excess fallout. So we are going with halo eyes, halo eyes on the hooded lid. So don't limit yourself on eyeshadow color. Dark skin girls, we can use any. Oh, that red is beautiful. and names of everything will be listed. Okay, to go back with the traditional color I use from this MUA palette. I'm going to take a shimmer color from this Beauty Big Bang palette for these two. Right, not a fan of the shimmer, not a fan of the shimmer. Like, it's not like pigmented MUA palette. So I'm going to take this color. Just blend. That red just took the eyes to another level. My under eyes. BH Cosmetic, a pencil liner. So I'm going to use this highlighter by Beauty Big Bang. Like I said, £5 product. Looks really nice. And this is in number 3. I'm just going to use this side of the highlighter. If you're not getting anything off your highlighter and you have a scissors or a knife close to you, just scrape the top of the highlighter, scrape the surface of the highlighter. Now I can apply. So you see, my cheap glow is glow. Oh yeah, that is a nice one. For my cheap mascara, I'm going to use Miss Spotty. You know, Miss Spotty come true. They sell vigorously lashes for £4. So I got 2 from Savers. I use this one. These lashes is fierce. And now we can do lipstick. Either go nude or bold. You can do any that you want. Beauty Big Bang. So this is their liquid lipstick. You have this color right here. This is a nude. This color right here, which is a red color. So I'm just lining my lip with my cheap favorite lipstick ever, lip pencil ever. This is Georgiana Coco Loco. So I'm going to use the nude. This is the nude lipstick, and this is the number 3. Formula is nice, guys. It's not drying like when you're applying it. I think it will dry matte when you're done. Oh, this is a beautiful nude color. Oh, I am good. You see, affordable makeup look. So you're like full face using affordable products. So you can slay Valentine, you can slay your wedding day, you can slay your naming ceremony, you can slay your birthday. Slay anything you want to slay with this cheap look. Let nobody tell you anything. You don't have to kill the bank to look flawless. It's not about that. It's about how you use the product that matters. That's the tip I'm going to give you today. And if there's anything that you like on this makeup look, I'll link everything at the description bar on where to get it. Don't forget to leave all the comments that you have, any question at the comment section. Let's just gist about the product and tell me your thoughts on affordable and high-end makeup, what you think, if some high-end makeup are overrated, if affordable makeup are not for you. Let me know. Better I love affordable makeup. Like I said, it's how you use it that matters. So all I have to say is that I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave if you're not a subscriber. So thank you for the love, guys. Bye.